Have you applied to KNUST or have you been offered admission? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be addressing the alternative ways of getting admission to KNUST if you apply as a regular student and you haven't been offered admission, or you apply for a program that is much more stronger than your result, and because of that, you haven't been offered admission. My name is Desmond. You can call me Don Holy. I'm an educational coach. I guide students to platinum institutions in the country. I have a group on WhatsApp that you can join for free and learn for yourself. But please, before you pick up my number and contact me, watch the video to the end and do not call. Just send me a WhatsApp message and I'll respond to you. Okay, if you have any friend who wants to join the next academic year, which will be starting in May, then pick up my number, give it to the person, let the person join my WhatsApp group and learn for free. Okay, if you want to do your best, you want to do affidavit, you want to do your passport, my number is right on your screen. Pick it up, contact me, and I'll do all of that for you. Now let's move right into the video. So if you have not been offered admission, there are alternative ways of getting admission to KNUST. One of the alternative ways is to apply as a fee-paying student. Now, if you look onto your portal, or if you go onto the portal, the application portal, I'll be showing you how you can apply as a fee-paying student. But before, let me explain what fee-paying means. Fee-paying simply means that what you are applying to the school, pay the outright full fee all by yourself. So this is what it means to apply as a fee-paying student. But there's one more thing. If you apply as a fee-paying student, in as much as you are going to be in the same class with a regular student, your fees are going to be far different and more higher than the regular student. Now, this is the clue here, okay? Now, the regular students, the government of Ghana pays part of the fees for them, okay? So as a fee-paying student, you are paying much more higher. You are paying about 2 or 3 times the amount the regular students are paying. So if a regular student is paying about 3,000, be ready to pay about 6,000 or 7,000 or 8,000, depending on the program that you are going to offer. Right? If the program demands more practical, you pay more. If it demands less practical, you pay less. So this is what it means to apply to school as a fee-paying student. It doesn't work for only KNUST, it works for other universities in the country as well. So the choice is yours. If you can afford for the fee-paying, then go ahead and apply to fee-paying student. But if you cannot afford for it, there's another alternative in KNUST that you can apply and gain admission, which is what the parallel stream. Okay, this is what the parallel stream means. Even in as much as you are going to be in the same school as the fee-paying student, regular students, your lecture sections is going to be different. Okay, so the regular and the fee-paying students will start lectures in the morning, but yours is going to be in the evening. Just like some schools that they have both evening session and morning section, yours is going to be in the evening. So the KNUST evening session is what they are referring to as a parallel admission or parallel stream, right? So when the regular students start school as, let's say, 7 a.m., 6:30 to 4 p.m. or anytime in the evening, yours will start at somewhere around 3:30 or 4:30 or 4. So that's what it means to apply as what? A parallel stream student, right? Now, having understand all of this, I think it's worth if you go into the system or we log into the portal so that I show you how to do this particular thing step by step throughout the process.
When it comes to your browser like this, the only thing you have to do is what? Type KNUST admission portal. Okay, I've been using it for quite some time now, so I have it. I'll just click on it. This is how the interface of the website looks like. So the first thing you're supposed to do is what? Fit in the voucher details. Okay, so when you're done feeding in the voucher details like this, then you click on what? Login. Okay, then you wait for the website to load. So this is how the interface of the website looks like. If you have not gotten admission, if you log into the website, this is how it will look like. When you click on check admission status, when the next page loads, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, nothing is going to display here. However, if you have gained admission, the moment you log in, you see that at the top right, at the top here, where they wrote the page, start page, and information will be displayed there for you that congratulations, so and so, you have been accepted for the so and so program, accept the admission offer. If you have not gotten that, that means that you have not gotten admission. So this is a different way you can actually what? Gain admission to KNUST. So in this particular video, I'll be explaining the fee paying option and the parallel option. Okay, so you come to the bottom part here, what is written in the red banner here, then you click on it. Okay, apply here. So when you click on apply here, you see that we have 2 options. Okay, we have the fee paying option, then we have the parallel option. Okay, so let's tackle the fee paying first. The fee paying is for those of you who have not met the cutoff point or who have not met the cutoff point, but you still want to go to KNUST at all costs. However, the fee paying option is more expensive. I mean, if you have been admitted into the school as a fee paying student, it is more expensive. But have it in mind that if you have been admitted as a fee paying student, you cannot reverse it when you are going to level 200 or level 300 to a regular student, which means that what? you are going to continue paying as a fee paying student throughout your schooling at KNUST. So if you pay, let's say 7,000, 8,000, or even 9,000 for admission fee, if it drops, you're going to pay about 8,000 or 7,000 throughout your academic journey throughout KNUST. So you just click on what? Yes. They'll ask fee paying option means paying full fee for entire duration of the program offered. Okay, so those who have been admitted as a regular student, the government of Ghana pays part of the school fees for them. Okay, then those who are admitted as fee paying student, it means that what they can foot the full bill. Okay, just like you being admitted into a private institution. So here you choose the options. Okay, so just click on what? First fee paying choice, and then you scroll through. These are the programs available. Okay, there's some selected programs available for the fee paying option. So you choose, you go through. Let's say I want to choose, let's say, business administration, accounting option, or let's say human resource option at the city campus or on the main campus. Then I'll choose the second option to, I'll just choose, let me pick political aesthetics. Okay, so this is the fee paying option. So when you are done with this, you can decide to submit it. Okay, you can decide to submit it. However, you can swap the fee paying option for the parallel option again. Okay, the parallel option is just like those who go for the evening studies. So now if you apply as a parallel student, or you have been admitted into the institution as a parallel student, what it simply means is that when people are going for lectures in the morning, in the afternoon, you will not go. Okay, you know, at KNUST, lectures is mostly based from, let's say, 6 or 7 a.m. to what, 4 p.m. So those of you who apply as a parallel student, you will not start your lectures from what, 4 p.m. to the evening around 10 p.m. depending on what your lectures or the timetable that you have, or depending on what the study or lecture schedules, right? So now if you want the fee pay, the parallel option, you just come here and click on what? Yes, right? When you click on yes, the options are here. You saw the first parallel choice, you also go through and then you select. Okay, so let me pick let's say which option should I pick? Business administration again. Then I'll pick the parallel option, the second choice. I'll do the same thing, right? Let me pick let's say geography and rural development. Then I'll just I'm done. Then I'll just submit it. But I would advise, if you can't afford for the fee paying, then go for the parallel, because the parallel is less expensive than the fee paying. I hope you understand. The parallel is less expensive than the fee paying. However, if you can afford for the fee paying, why not just go in for it? But check your pocket wall. Ask your parents if they can afford. You don't put them into a tight corner where they cannot handle, or if they cannot handle it, literally mean that you have to drop out of school, or put yourself into something that you don't really want to do.
Welcome back. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Yes, if you do, please do me the honor, share the video with your friends. Okay, those of you who have applied to KNUST, share with them so that they can also get to learn from this. Okay, and this is the first time you're coming across my channel, do me the honor, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification bell so to get notified anytime I release a new video. And more importantly, if you want to do your affidavits, you want to do your guides, you want to do birth certificate, you want to do your traveling passport, or you want to import goods on pre-order, pick up my number display right on your screen and WhatsApp me. Okay, please do not call. Just WhatsApp me and I'll respond to you. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Peace. I'm out.